Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, so much welcome. My name is the one, the king himself, and today I chill with the beautiful, the lovely Angella Katatumba, the owner of Diplomatic Hotel. She's been inviting me to this hotel and I've basically refused to go, deliberately, for some reasons, security reasons. I don't want to entangle. I just want to keep myself safe. Welcome on the show before 5.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be on BTM.
Yes. You're looking lovely.
Thank you.
How has Corona treated you, the COVID-19?
Corona has treated me amazingly.
Okay.
I've had the time to shoot music videos. Courts were closed, businesses were closed, so the only thing I could do was music. So it worked out perfectly for me. I got the chance to an opportunity to promote my song Tone Rabida with Daddy Andre.
That one I have so many questions.
But you said I should keep things short.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll go there.
And then also Love Me with Kent and Flosso. We shot the video and a number of other videos. So yeah, so it's helped me for real.
Okay, just a throwback, yeah? Your cases in the courts, how are they? Did you won some of these cases? And so tell us, where is the Kamane?
Munange, the Kamane is coming. Yes, we won. Shumuk was ordered to pay us $13 million. And to
Angella, you have money.
the story is continuing before you start cornering me, and I haven't yet got it yet because it's appeals. So because it's appealed, we're waiting on the appeal date. God willing, we get it fast, and then, he's forced to pay, and we attach things and we move. God willing. So we are praying that we win the appeal.
Oli muchala wa Ntalo, you know Uganda, right? So I'll mix. Yeah. Oli muchala wa Ntalo, you're a woman of chaos, disturbances, causing trouble everywhere. Why are you branding yourself as that?
Now, really, how have I caused trouble and where?
You fought at that place I don't want to give Karango with your Jamaican friend.
Wow.
I'm coming. You've been in courts several times. We saw the other chaos of Daddy Andre.
But how is that chaos? You know what, you guys? First of all, with the place, for me, it's bad publicity. Chicken tonight. I shouldn't say that. Okay. With that, it happens. Situations happen. We were in studio with Kuzi. Things got crazy. These Jamaicans, the way they talk and Nigerians, they're so forceful. So those guys got intimidated by Kuzi. And they surrounded him. The security guard started beating Kuzi. So really, can someone start beating you when we are here and I just walk away? So I tried to hold the security guy's hand. I'm like, you're going to kill him because there's a corner they beat Kuzi up. You know what I'm saying? So I tried to hold his hand and he brought all the anger on me. You know what I'm saying? This man got hit me, got a bin and hit me and knocked me out. So these are situations that happen. Unfortunately, it happened. You know what I'm saying?
So do we brand you as a woman of trouble, like troublemaker?
No, because I'm very sure that you guys have gotten into situations, but because you're not known and you're not, you know what I'm saying? Okay, maybe you're known, but you know what I'm saying though, because you're not like, actually, because you're a public figure. Have a situation and let there be a camera and you'll tell us. You know what I'm saying? But these are things that happen to people every day. But because I'm a public figure and it became like such a big thing.
What you're trying to say is Angella is not a troublemaker.
No, why would I be a troublemaker? That is a situation that happened. It was unfortunate. It was a situation of excitement that went south. You know what I'm saying? So that's what happened. But yes, I took the guys to court. Criminal court, the guy who hit me, obviously because he really did not even have a case. Why would you hit a person to that extent? Over nothing. You know what I'm saying? So he was sent to prison for 1.5 years. And then the bosses, the Chicken Tonight bosses, I'm taking them to civil court, and I'm chasing 600 million.
Angella, with the money, you're always chasing the money, whether in studio, whether in courts of law, everywhere. Now, let's talk about entanglement.
Entanglement? Okay.
Yes, entanglement, relationship. You've been accused of being in so many relationships. Are you in a relationship? Are you entangling? Where are you?
But you see what I'm saying when you're a public figure? Girls change men every 2 days.
Do you change men every 2 days?
No, I'm talking about girls on the
Hey,
street.
girl.
But because they are not public figures, you know what I'm saying? With me, it's like, wow, you know, with Andre, it's a simple thing. We had a relationship, it didn't work out, finished. But oh my God, you've even named that as one of the scandals. So you see, that's how people are unfair to us public figures, to be honest with you. So these are everyday things, but because the limelight is on us, they're exaggerated. But am I with anyone right now? Yes, I am dating.
Are you dating? Are you in a relationship? Are you entangling?
I said I'm dating.
So dating is different from being in a relationship.
It's the same thing. Okay, I'm in a relationship, yeah. But you ask, am I dating? Am I in a relationship? I chose dating. But I'm dating, yes, in a relationship.
Lovely life. We're still live with beautiful Angella Katatumba. Katatumba, lovely life. Wanoko before 5 with our whole crew. Kimu, echichalo chirabye Sherina ensonga zezo. Nze kati ngenze maso. So, have you ever entangled before?
Munange, bibawo entanglement. Sometimes you find yourself in an entanglement, you know. You don't expect to enter one. Before you know it, you're in it. You're featuring in it. And then when you realize you're in it, you either decide to stay or move out. So,
It's not a big thing. So advice to the young people. You know, we have an audience of young people.
to the young people, entanglements, bibao, is part of life, but
They shouldn't kill themselves.
don't kill yourselves, not the other word. But at least try to not enter one. If you happen to be in one, gauge. Is it worth staying? Is it time to leave? You know what I'm saying?
We heard you were getting into politics as we come to the end of this.
Oh my goodness. Where did you hear that?
Are you?
No, I'm not. I'm not getting into politics. We're a very neutral family. My family is always, you know, neutral. As long as we have a business climate that is peaceful and calm, we don't like run for politics. My dad has never been pro politics. It's a dirty game. Yeah, I can't manage, never.
So your family, basically?
What about my family? Are they in politics?
No, I'm just asking, how are they? Because we heard you guys had some here and there, property and stuff. Are you guys okay now?
Yeah, we're okay. I mean, yeah. I mean, we won the court case, and we are praying we win the appeal. But we're good. We're good, thank God, yeah.
So lastly, Angela, what next after all that happened, the shade that was thrown at you? How did you handle it? And then what next?
When you're a public figure, like